Sometimes you just want to lay down and rest after heavy work. Then you realize, oh dear, there's one more thing to do. One mega change. How about this? It's done! Introducing the Peterest Easy Cleaning Litter Box. Simply pull the handle and push it back. The easy cleaning system will help you finish the job. The waste will be automatically swept into the receptacle and sealed with tight-fitting lid to keep odors control. 2.5-inch depth is suitable for all clumping litter. No matter how many clumps, it can be cleaned at one time. See the difference? Press the reminder after you're cleaning. You'll know if it needs to be cleaned. It is 30% roomier than the average litter boxes, making it pleasant for all types of cats. Litter tracking will be greatly reduced by the entrance step. See-through design tells you if it's time to replace the receptacle. The receptacle can hold days of waste, and when it's full, simply take it out. It remains sealed shut during replacement to guarantee odors control. The filtration system takes advantage of the entrance airflow to make odors absorption more effectively, to keep your home fresh. The rake can be easily detached for deep cleaning. Peterest litter box is effortless to assemble. With non-motorized design, there is no need to worry about malfunction. We care for your furry friend and also for you. Peterest, interest in pets.